Hey everybody, it's Brian here from B-Dub's Garage. Um, Thought I'd just give you a little update. I haven't done much. Busy, work, kids, sick, all that fun stuff. But anyway, um, last weekend, made the dive. Um, first one I've ever had, so I'm kind of trying to figure out a few things, but I got a good deal on it. So I picked up that right there. It's a 360 Magnum. First Magnum motor I've ever had. I've always had LAs. So gonna tear that down, put V-belt stuff on the front, make it look like an LA as much as I can. I like the look of the LA better than the Magnum. The valve covers are the real killer for me. I'm not big on the Magnum valve covers, but just got it unloaded out of the van today. Loaded trash in the van over there, and gonna make a trash run here in a little bit, trying to clean space, move the Scamp out of its parking spot for the summer, put it over on the other side of the barn for the winter, and covered it up. It's almost 50 degrees today, so perfect day to do it. I got home from work a couple hours ago. Been out here trying to get as much done as I can before it gets dark. Been up since 2 a.m., so it's been a long day. But that's the big news. I don't know how much I want to do to it. I mean, it's probably going to go in the Scamp, so leave it fairly stock. I mean, the Scamp's it's just a cruiser. It's not something I'm trying to make fast. I've done 3 power tours with the Scamp, and I enjoy doing that. So that's kind of the game plan. So probably leave it fairly stock. I've got an air gap intake that I got a year or two ago that'll fit on a Magnum. I'm probably gonna leave the exhaust manifolds on it because I'm not big on headers. I just actually bottomed back in the Scamp on the other side. You got to go up a little incline, and the exhaust bottomed out, and I think I pulled one of the muffler clamps off. So that's something I got to fix next spring. But I think I'm gonna leave the manifolds, but I'll have the aluminum intake. The Scamp's got Phi-Tech fuel injection on it, so that'll be on it. Debating on a cam. Just depends on the cost. I mean, I don't want to dump a ton of money into a cam that's just barely bigger than stock. And like I said, I'm not trying to build a race car. I just want a good cruiser, something that's going to get some good gas mileage. And I've even debated on eventually putting an overdrive transmission in the Scamp, being that it's mostly a cruiser and power tour, that type stuff. So that's kind of the direction that car's going. But that's a new item in the garage. So give me some tips. I mean, I've never done a Magnum. Like I said, I'm not looking for a lot of horsepower. I want a cruiser, but a little more won't hurt. You know, never turn down a little more horsepower. But that's where I'm at. I'm gonna start. It's supposed to be 50-some degrees tomorrow too here in Michigan. So if I get a chance, I'm gonna get down here and try and get this broke down and get it on an engine stand. It's just on the chain fall right now, so that's handy. But I'm gonna lower it down, put on a tire, and probably call it a night here in a little bit. Been a long day. Go eat some dinner, take a shower. Fresh start tomorrow. I got the rest of the weekend off, so see if I can get something done. It's supposed to be nice this weekend, but again, I'm rambling on. That's what we got in the garage new. The duster, since the firewall, haven't really touched it. This stuff is just stuff I pulled out of the van to get out of my way to unload the motor. But now that I got a free spot. I like to keep this spot free where the scamp was for the winter time. So if I got any of my daily drivers need work or anything else, I got more room. I mean, in the summer I can pull the scamp out, but in the winter I can't do that. And so if nothing's in here being worked on, I can pull the duster out more and be able to get around it more and work on it better. So I need to go get some acetylene for my new welder that I got last spring, and I still haven't got acetylene for it, or CO2 or whatever the hell, gas. So need to get on that here soon before when it gets here, so I can have that ready to go. But got a lot of mess to clean up in here. Too much stuff, not enough room. But anyway, I'm rambling on. Leave me any comments, any tips, any hints, any suggestions, likes, comments, all that stuff. And thanks for watching. See ya.